This is The Business of Cleaning, a podcast with seasoned industry guests from all over. Our goal is to pull together an abundance of advice that helps other cleaning professionals diversify themselves and feel confident in their jobs. We've started by lining up fun and engaging content that will make you want to keep listening. Our second season is a look at how to utilize the connections in our day-to-day lives to elevate our careers and businesses. We'll be discussing topics like networking, team building, leadership, conferences, and how to communicate effectively. A large part of advancement throughout the cleaning profession comes from the ability to be part of the working world we've chosen. Yes, some jobs are more independent than others, but it is always important to maintain valuable connections. After a hard year, where our normal modes of communication have become stilted and cut off, it's time to find a better way to move forward with 2021. Don't worry about trying to do it alone, though. You'll have us there to help you along the way. So you're invited to join us for the Business of Cleaning Season 2. Just click the link in the description to learn more and subscribe. We post every Tuesday, so make sure you check in to discover what we've put together just for you.